polygraph test is there, then these are the indicators of the emotions. Okay. Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about PYQ of Motivation and Emotion 2022. Let's begin. Okay, the question is that nurturing social intelligence at early developmental stage can play a critical role in conflict resolution at later stages. Explain with the help of examples. So what is happening is nurturing social intelligence at early developmental stage. Now, social intelligence at early developmental stage is going to be okay, conflict resolution. Now what you have to do is first you have to write about social intelligence, then you have to write about conflict resolution, and then you have to explain this with the help of example. Fine. So now what is going to happen is here we are going to write about how social intelligence can be brought in with respect to the early developmental stages. So first we are going to write about say you can write about empathy development, you can write about empathy development of emotional intelligence, then there is development with respect to social problem solving skills. Fine. Now they say that now I have discussed 3 of them. You can discuss more of them. For example, you can also talk about building on this compassion, how you can build this okay, emotional intelligence I have done, social problem also skills I have done, empathy also I have done, compassion also I have done. You can also write about for example this consciousness. Fine. Now they say that this plays a critical role in conflict resolution. So what is happening with respect to conflict resolution at later stages? Now there could be conflicts with respect to health. There could be conflicts with respect to your having a lot of aggression, avoidance, etc. So there is conflict resolution, and conflict resolution with respect to what? Aggression. Conflict resolution with respect to say development of health. Fine. So aggression, health development. You can also talk about reducing this anxiety, disorders, etc. Fine. Now here you can give various examples. Now examples with respect to what? For example, if a person is competing for an exam, right, and the person has given like 2 years for that examination, still the person is not able to clear the examination, what is going to happen is that the person is going to get very aggressive. Why? Because there is like too much of effort and yet there is no result. So too much of aggression will be there. Now if there is too much of aggression, what is going to happen is, if emotional intelligence is there, aggression could be resolved. How? Because you can channelize your emotions. Fine. Now moving on to the next one, Next one is emotional competency is more important than intellectual competency. Discuss in the context of school children. Now they say that emotional competency is more important than intellectual competency. Intellectual competency is what? Your IQ. IQ is what? Intelligence quotient. Now, emotional competency is what? Emotional competency is going to deal with emotions. Emotions as in self-regulation. Fine. Then you can talk about emotional development. You can also talk about emotional intelligence. You can also talk about attitude formation. Fine. Okay, so discuss in the context of school children. Now see, what's happening is that a lot of people after completing their graduation, still they are not able to realize that where their interest is lying. So what I mean to say is that emotional competency is more important than intellectual competency. Discuss in the context of school children. What is happening is that emotional competency will help you in understanding that, okay, my interest lies over here. So what is going to happen is now I'll use this intellect to do excel in this field, right? So what's happening is that's how emotional competency is important. Now, yeah, this is why it is important. Now, how are you going to build it? For example, you are going to build social skills. Then it is going to help in building peer relationships. Fine. Other than how what else it is going to help you in building? So it will help you in building the emotional context of the child. Fine. So this was with respect to emotional context. So this was with respect to how what or how the school children's are ultimately going to have this brain development. Fine. Moving on to the next question. The next question says, what do you understand by physical indicators of emotions? How are they relevant in polygraph tests? So physical indicators of emotions. Now, very easy question. Nothing difficult. Physical indicators of emotions are what? For example, your heartbeat gets fast. You are sweating. Your heartbeat is getting fast. You are sweating. Then your blood pressure changes. Your BP changes. What else? Then heartbeat is there, sweating is there, your blood pressure changes. Other than that, your brain, how is your brain activated, etc. Fine. Now, how are they relevant in polygraph test? Because polygraph test is based on changes of individuals. So individual differences. It is different for different individuals. So individual differences. Now individual differences is what? For example, there is change in behavior. The polygraph test is able to understand the change in behavior. The polygraph test is able to understand or predict the change in heart rate. It is able to test the change in pulse. pulse reading or changes in pulse. And sometimes it's going to be high or slow, so pulse changes, etc. I mean, you can write a lot many factors. This is how this question need to be attempted. It's just that you need to understand polygraph test, varies from individual to individual. For example, there can be, individuals who can say, who can lie, and still they are, very comfortable with it. They would not show it on their face. But then there are individuals who are going to lie, and then it is all over on their face. So what's happening is that is also leading to, a lot of differences. So polygraph test is there, then these are the indicators of the emotions. Okay, so thank you so much. In my next session, I'll be coming with, this was 2022, so I'll be coming with 2021 and 2020 as well. Thank you so much.